Hi everyone, it's Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy, and it is Wednesday, September 1st at about 10 minutes of 10 or so thereabouts. We wanted to give everyone a view of swing machine monitoring, trading, um, all of the markets, futures markets that we like to follow. Frequently during the day, we pretty much just showcase the indices because that's where the predominant interest is in. And we want to do this now because we do anticipate a pretty good shift in the markets here in the next few weeks. And be aware the futures markets are open on Labor Day, I think up until about 1 o'clock. They're only closed for about 4 hours that afternoon. And there have been Labor Days in the past that have seen significant shifts in the market. And we got a sneaky feeling, a sneaky indication, not more than just a feeling, but we got some indications that we're going to be reviewing with our members this evening, hinting that next week could bring a pretty good shift in this market. But for right now, let me just show you over the next couple of minutes an ES contract, which is the S&P futures contract, through the eyes of Swing Machine, which is a trend following algorithm. It does not use moving averages. It has been long for 208 days. 208 days. The purse is at $52,100. If you had been a member, and if you had put one mini contract on at 3477.25, and yes, many people would have been thinking and saying that the market was overbought at that level on November 5th of 2020. That's November, right? 2020. And that trend is still in place and it's strong all the way through. There is no indication in terms of just the strength of the trend that anything is imminent. That alone. But we don't trade anything in isolation. So we don't have time to comment on every single market, but let us just show you the NQ. 71 days, 39,000. The Dow, 50 days, 5,800. The Russell, 5 days, 370. Gold, 5 days, underneath, or a little bit of a drawdown. U.S. Treasuries, 64 days, 7 grand. Oil is actually short for 3 weeks, up 850. Heating oil long for 4 days, underwater. Gasoline, unleaded gasoline long for 6 days, just 319. Natural gas, a real sleeper here, for 96 days has been trending long, up one contract, 16,000. 10-year Treasury long for 71 days, 2 grand. Copper has, after a tremendous run, is actually short and re-entering short for 2 weeks, up almost 1,200. Silver is short, rallying against that short, but it's been short for 54 days and is up 9,000. Coffee long for 38 days, up 14,000. Corn short for 10. Soybean meal short for 75. Soybean short for 11. Sugar long for 31. Cocoa long for 22. Wheat long for 34. The dollar long for 55. And in a dollar futures contract only uses $1,800 in margin, so that's like nearly a 30% return there. That's pretty darn good. The euro short on the opposite side, 56 days. That's also a huge return at $2,475 a contract. The Japanese yen is short, down just a tad. British pound short, up 500. And the Aussie dollar is short and up 3,400. The Swiss franc is short. Canadian dollar is also short. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you want to learn more about who we are, what we're about, and how you might have some of these tools on your desktops so that you can make your decisions impartially, objective, consistent, with specific information to the specific market you're interested in and getting very specific trend and counter trend information, then feel free to give us a call at 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody.